Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to check release version of your Salesforce account. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is the first time on Salesforce, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Checking the Salesforce release version is a straightforward process that is particularly important, especially when planning updates, testing new features, and ensuring compatibility. Once you are logged into your account, I want you to hover to the upper right corner where you can see the gear icon, which is called the setup. I want you to click on it and type in on the quick find something like company information. You see that? Click on the company information and you would be able to see the version of the Salesforce that you have. All right. So it says here like this Salesforce.com organization ID edition is going to be professional edition. All right. So you have the instance is JPN 150 and all of that. Now, each Salesforce release, for example, winter, spring, or summer, introduces new features, improvements, and enhancement. Knowing the release version helps you identify which features are available to you. For example, if a new automation feature or an enhancement to Flow Builder is included in a specific release, you'll know when you can start using it, because most of the time, Salesforce releases often include bug fixes and performance enhancement. Understanding your version helps you know if certain issues in previous versions have been resolved. Now, another way for you to check the release version is going to be checking this kind of link, and that's just going to be status.salesforce.com, wherein all you have to do is type your instance. And remember earlier, we were using the Japan or JPN 150. I'm going to copy that and switch over to that site. Type it in, press enter to see what we got here. All right, so the instance is this. And knowing all this information, of course, ensures you are prepared for changes that can take full advantage of new features and maintain the stability and compatibility of your Salesforce environment. All right, that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next one.